Good morning, students. Today is Tuesday, 14th July 2020. You are welcome in the physics class 10th PTB, and you know that we already studying Unit 11 sound, and today our topic is audible sound range and ultrasound. Audible human audible frequency range is 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. The frequency of sounds which lies between 20 to 20,000 Hz, that is human audible sound range. Some of the animals like dog and the bat, their audible frequency range is more than 20,000. The sounds whose frequency is more than 20,000, that is called ultrasound. And ultrasound, they have many thousand, even lakhs frequency. So, like dog, its frequency range is from 20 to 25,000 Hz. It can hear the sound of higher frequency as compared to human being. There is a one whistle whose frequency is more than 20, but in between 20 to 25,000, and dogs whose frequency range is from 20 to 25,000 Hz. That dog can hear that frequency. So that's why that whistle, human cannot hear that whistle because its frequency is more than that, higher than that of 20,000. Human ear can't hear that sound. Human ear can hear only those sounds whose frequency lies between 20 to 20,000 Hz. Therefore, that whistle is called silent whistle, and that whistle is silent. Why silent? Because dog can hear. Its frequency is between 20,000 to 25,000 Hz. Therefore, dog can hear, but human cannot hear. This is the reason that whistle is called silent whistle. Normally, this whistle is used by the security agencies. They have the dogs, and they call whenever they want to call the dogs, and they blow that whistle, and only the dog can listen, but any man cannot hear. So that whistle is called silent whistle, and that is used by the security people and security agencies where there are the strict you can that we know need security. So only those people they use that whistle. Now the ultrasounds are of very high frequency but very small wavelength. Due to this reason, it is very useful in our life, particularly in our medical field. Everybody of you are familiar with the use of ultrasound in our medical field. So now we will study only its two uses in medical field and secondly in industry or technical field. So please open your books so that I'm going to read, and along with this I will explain the uses. Ultrasound waves carry more energy. Look at the book, please. Ultrasound carries more energy and higher frequency than audible frequency sound wave. Therefore, according to the wave equation, V is equal to F lambda, the wavelength of the ultrasound is very small and is very useful for detecting very small objects. So, I'm going to read now about the medical fields. In medical field, ultrasonic waves are used to diagnose and treat different ailments. For diagnosis of different diseases, ultrasound waves are made to enter the human body through transmitters. These waves are reflected differently by different organs, tissue, or tumors. The reflected waves are then amplified to form an image of internal organs of the body on computer screen. Such as image help in detecting the defects in these organs. Powerful ultrasound is being used to remove blood clots from the arteries. Ultrasound can also be used to get the picture of thyroid glands for diagnosis purposes. Now the its technical use of ultrasound in our technical field or industry. Ultrasound is used to locate underwater depth or is used for locating objects lying deep on ocean floors. The technique is called sonar, sound navigation and training. Sonar, SONAR capital, stand for navigation, sound, navigation and ranging. The sound waves are sent from the transmitter and receivers collect the reflected sound. The time lapse is calculated knowing the speed of sound in water. The distance of object from the ocean surface can be estimated. Sonar ranging is also used to see the shape and the size of the object. Cracks. Cracks appear in the interior of moving part of high-speed heavy machinery such as turbine, engines of ships and airplanes due to excessive use. These cracks are not visible from the outside, but they can be very dangerous. Such crack can be detected by ultrasonic. A powerful beam of ultrasound is made to pass through these defective parts. While passing, these waves are reflected by the surface of these cracks and flaws. The comparison of the ultrasound waves reflected from cracks and from the surface of these parts can give a clue of existence of the crack. Last one is also given for the medical field. Germs and bacteria in liquid can also be destroyed by using high intensity ultrasonic wave. So this was the use of ultrasound in our medical and technical field. We have already studied that what is audible sound range. So tomorrow I'm giving you the assignment that everybody have to write at least 5 medical fields, use of ultrasound in medical field and use of ultrasound in technical field. Thank you. God bless you and have a blessed day. Tomorrow we will see each other again. Thank you.